G'day, here's a little deal of small pieces of Boulder Opal. The rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. The white, as you can see, like on that piece there, is the reflection of the lights. It's mostly off-cut type pieces. Black on that's permanent marker that's been put on it. A couple of these I've just thrown in. Oh, that's a piece of black opal. A lot of the cutters and miners have various mines, buy and sell. So occasionally a piece like that falls into the mix. It's in there, so whoever buys it owns it. It's been cut and then dropped and thrown in the bucket then. Shows that the miners had a lot of good material. This piece is probably just potch, but threw it in. This piece is just solid white, potch and colour. Could be a piece from Cooper Pedy, or it could still just be out of a piece of boulder. It's hard to tell. Occasionally you do get white opal like this in a boulder. Anyway, it's part of the deal. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.